Well, Michael, yesterday, Judge Alloy told jurors that today would be a lot more interesting than yesterday's jury selection process, and he was right. It's just that most of the interesting parts today didn't actually happen in front of jurors. This morning, before the jurors could even be called into the courtroom, Pat Bombard's defense called for a mistrial on several accounts, the biggest pertaining to discovery evidence and violations. Back in April, the defense requested all discovery texts, voicemails, and emails pertaining to the case on Tom McDonald's phone be turned over to them. The DA's office had 15 days to provide records they intended to use to argue their case against Bombard. However, just last night and this morning, District Attorney Beth Van Dorn delivered a different set of text records that included messages apparently deleted from McDonald's phone, the man accusing Bombard of grand larceny. Defense lawyer Bob Baska accused the DA's office of trying to ambush evidence and argued he couldn't properly defend his client or cross-examine witnesses with the introduction of new evidence that he hadn't had time to review. Judge Alloy said that while he was not pleased, he wouldn't issue sanctions and would allow the trial to begin without the inclusion of evidence handed over outside of the April discovery period. Now, it didn't take long for this behind-the-scenes argument over discovery violations to rear its head in the trial today and in front of jurors. Today, during the prosecution's very first witness, Tom McDonald, the people tried to use voicemail evidence that hadn't previously been submitted to the defense, prompting a long recess from Judge Alloy and an admonishment wherein he told the district attorney, "We're in trial, not pre-trial."